Yep. Hey guys, this is Tony. Here at Stassney because of the southbound freight block earlier, but so now. I'm gonna watch the gravel hopper car train, and I think I am afraid I won't have time for the other northbounders, which all later this and stuff. But yeah, yep. Oh, here he comes. Alright, this guy's about to go there. Yay! Here comes the train. Here comes the gravel hopper car train. There goes the Northbound Union Pacific gravel train plus a horn show. Even though there's more northbounds, I'm afraid it's too late for me to do anything else. So, well, I guess this is a goodbye here. And a quick reminder: I'm gonna see some. This is the last day of the week of the weekday to see any trains, but because on Friday I won't have time to film any trains in Austin due to my my Brownsville trip. So I do apologize for that, and I'm not gonna be back until Saturday night. So we're gonna get everything back on track on Sunday and stuff. So on Thursday, gonna be out here for a long time and stuff. But see you guys then. Bye bye.